Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of three beautiful daughters, 9, 4, and 8 months old. I know what it's like to wake up tired, not just from work, but from worrying about bill, about time, and about whether life ever gets easier. If you're living paycheck to paycheck and wondering how to break that cycle, I want to show you how I started turning things around even when money was tight. See, being broke isn't just about not having money. It's about being stuck in survival mode. Every decision feels heavy. You're not thinking long term. You're just trying to make it through the week. Hell, through the day. And that mindset keeps you trapped. What changed everything for me wasn't another side hustle. I didn't need another one of those. It was learning how to create daily income online using a system that works while I work less and able to spend more time with my family. Here's the truth. You don't need to be a marketing expert or have your own product. What you do need is clarity, a blueprint that already does the heavy lifting for you. That's exactly how I built something that pays me daily without having to sacrifice more time with my kids. It started with one small decision to stop surviving and start building. Because once you shift from I can't afford it to I can create it, everything begins to move differently and swiftly. If you've been stuck in that cycle of just making it, I want you to know you can change your story. And you will, because you got this far in this video. You can build your financial peace without burnout. And if you're ready to see the same blueprint I used to do that, the link is right below. www.getdailypayments.com. And it's linked in the description below. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter because you deserve it.